Good morning, this is the National Weather Service in San Angelo, and this is Seth Nagel with the morning weather briefing for Wednesday, July 8th, 2020. Looking at today, we're going to see temperatures warm up a little bit more today, with highs getting into the mid-90s to near 100 degrees across parts of the area. Heat index values could reach to around 103 degrees for parts of the area, although that's getting close to our heat advisory criteria. It doesn't look like it'll be widespread enough or consistent enough to issue a heat advisory for today, but nonetheless it will still be very hot and humid across the area, so you want to take some precautions if you're going to be outside doing any work or any other outdoor activities. Try to drink plenty of water, take frequent breaks, and get into some air-conditioned places if possible. Overnight tonight, lows in the low 70s to upper 70s with light winds and mostly clear skies. For Thursday, we'll continue to see temperatures warm up across the area. Highs will be getting into the upper 90s to approaching 105 degrees in some areas. This graphic shows the heat index values during the peak heating period of the afternoon. And we can see that some of our heat index values will be over 103 degrees to approaching 110 degrees in parts of the big country, especially north of Interstate 20 where there's a little more moisture. And we may have to issue a heat advisory for tomorrow. So we'll be taking a closer look at that throughout the day today and, of course, tonight as well. Nonetheless, once again, it'll be hot, so you'll want to be try to practice heat safety precautions by once again drinking plenty of water, taking breaks if you have to be outside doing any work or any other activities, and trying to take breaks in air-conditioned locations if possible. For the extended forecast, we're looking at a pretty oppressive heat wave beginning with Thursday and continuing through the weekend and into early next week. So we're looking at several days of highs getting into the 100 to 105 and possibly 110 degree range across west central Texas. Some of these days we could break records at either San Angelo or Abilene, although the chances are better in the San Angelo area to break high temperature records. With this in mind, we want to remind everybody that during this time period, please try to limit outdoor activity as much as possible. But if you do have to be outside working, try to take as many breaks as you can, drink lots of water, wear loose-fitting clothing, and also keep an eye on fellow citizens that may be at risk, such as elderly folks, young kids, and of course pets as well. And always remember to look before you lock if you're traveling with little ones, and don't leave any children locked inside a car. That is the morning weather briefing for this Wednesday, July 8th. Please check back tomorrow morning for an updated briefing. Thanks.